Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So now let's get started. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cute little gift box. To make a perfect gift box, do not skip any instruction. Do follow it step by step. You can actually use this gift box to put some chocolates, jewelry, and you can use it for any occasion, and it's going to be a really cute present. Guys, give this project a try, and once you're done with the project, take a picture and send it to the mail ID mentioned in the description box along with your name so that I can share it on my Instagram account. Also guys, if you have any idea and you want me to work on it, do share your thoughts in the comment section so that I can do that for you in my next video. So guys, this is the final look. Do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.